Hey everybody, it's Chris Loblaw again, and now I'm taking a look at the MyCloud EX2 Ultra 2-bay NAS, which is a network-attached storage device, and the initial setup through its admin page, which is what we're looking at right here. I've skipped past talking about the physical setup because there really is almost no physical setup to do. You plug the NAS into your router and power it up, and that's it. So now we're on to setting it up, and you can already see how straightforward this admin page is. It's great that it doesn't make it too complicated right off the bat. You can see the very basic information. Everything is healthy and everything is great. Tells you the cloud users you have. And this is an example of how you add more cloud users. The cloud devices are things like your tablet and your cell phone that you can set up to do an auto backup to the NAS whenever it comes on the network. And you can also, and I was very happy to see this, choose whether your device backs up only when it's on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular, just in case you have a restricted data plan. You don't want to burn through your data plan backing up when you get home. Speaking of that app, the app on the phone was incredibly easy to use, incredibly easy to access the stuff that was stored on here, and was all in all incredibly simple to get set up. When you get it all set up and you start thinking about what additional things you'd like to have on here, that process is pretty simple. The built-in ones that are here right off the bat are simple auto downloads, whether you're going to download from an FTP site or from a website or from a peer-to-peer. The first one I added on as an application, I installed the Milestone Arcus surveillance software, which allows this new NAS to function as the storage device for your surveillance cameras and your system in the home. A lot of the features that you're going to need with that come from the Milestone company, so that's a secondary account and setting all that up through a different website, but it's really handy if that was already something that you were looking at installing. And each one of the pages here is really simple. It comes in and gives you a very clear explanation of the tasks you can do and how to set it up, whether you're going to back up everything on the hard drive to a USB stick, though good luck finding USB 3 drives that are large enough to handle everything on there. One of the things I was really happy about was that the hard drive, when you start it up, automatically assumes that or sets it up as a RAID 1 right off the bat, which is where it duplicates the data automatically. So just in case one of the two hard drives fails, you have a perfectly good copy in the second one. That reduces any chance of downtime, which is great. With something of this quality, you don't really have to worry about the read-write speed to the hard drives and try to use RAID 0 to speed that up. It's great as it is. So all in all, everything here is really straightforward. Nothing that you need an advanced computer science degree to get set up initially, but there are a lot of more advanced options and configurations and opportunities that you can take with this. A few of the other additional apps that you can add in, like, let's see, Joomla, PHPBB, allow you to set up your own fully functional website with forums and a database to hold the information and content management. So if that was something that you were interested in building yourself, build your own little WordPress server, that's stuff that this can fill that purpose as well. But always keep in mind that you can get into pretty deep water pretty quickly if you don't know what you're doing. All right, so that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was informative.